How's it going, everybody? Right then, today I'm going to be doing Romanian mici. Yep, mici meaning small, and basically what they are, a skinless sausage. Extremely traditional over that way. And come the summertime, get the fire pit going, let the wood reduce down to embers, then put the mici on. Absolutely amazing, beautiful, basic to do, but so tasty and so good. Now, slight difference with what I've got here. I've just got beef. I've got some spare beef, so I thought, you know what? I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to make some mici. Now, usually it's pork and beef, or even pork, beef and lamb. But just for this one, I'm using beef. So we're going to go with that. If you want pork and beef, or all three, pork, beef and lamb, it is totally up to you. Go for it. Okay, so what you will need is some salt, some pepper, some thyme, old Timmy, some allspice, paprika, garlic, and a lemon. So, let's get to it. Right then, let's do this. Let's pop the beef in. Break that up a little bit. These really are very good, ladies and gentlemen. Very tasty. Very tasty indeed. Okay, pepper. Good dash of pepper. About a teaspoon in there. Thyme, the old Timmy. Then you about a teaspoon and a half of thyme, actually. There we go. Allspice, little dash, about a level teaspoon of allspice. Paprika, about a level teaspoon. And garlic, about a half a teaspoon of garlic, because you don't want it to be too overpowering. So just a little bit of garlic, about half a teaspoon of garlic, and lemon juice. So let's just slice that lemon in half. Oh wow, I love the smell of lemon, really is nice. So squeeze that out. I dare say, as you do this, you know what it's like, the seeds go poop 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 and straight into the mixer. There you go, there they are. There they are. Come to your Uncle Stewie. Job done. Pop them in. One escape me. One escape me there, ladies and gentlemen. So put some lemon juice in there. There's one. See? Thought you could escape? No. Right then. For the messy bit, so we're going to get in there and mix it all up. Now usually what people would do, they'd put either a bit of beef stock in here or water, and they would refrigerate it, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to get it all together, crank up the coals and get cooking. So yeah, so that's all coming together absolutely perfect, really nice. And the next thing to do is make them. Okay, let's do this, shall we? So get yourself a bit of the mixture. And this is the easy bit. And make them into little sausages. Not too massive, but be quite firm as well actually when you're doing this, because when it goes on the coals and the fat starts to come out, it might have a tendency to start breaking apart. You don't want that. That's no good. Almost like a little shish kebab in it, little it does smell very good. So there you go. Mici, small. So there's one. And I'll carry on with the rest of this and keep making them, and then we'll go outside and stick them on the coals. Lovely. So that's where we'll go next. Fire up the coals and pop the Mici on. Oh yes. Mici. Time to light the barbecue. But when you've run out of barbecue lighting fluid, it don't matter none. We use gasoline. That's how you get it done. Hello, so here we are at the grill. That's my old grill. It's been with me for years. It's showing signs of a lot of wear, but as long as I can grill, then I'm not going to throw away a decent bit of kit. You know, its smoking days are over. Other than that, but to grill, perfectly okay. It's good. So we've got the Mici on there. So what I need to do is turn these gradually. Get real dark. So I get my turn of 8 to 6000 and just turn these gradually. You're going to turn these more actually than probably what you would a normal sausage. And just keep turning them, flip them over, turn them out. It smells so good. Wow, does that smell tasty. So we're just going to keep turning them and then flip them over and turn in the opposite way until they get really, really dark. But already you can smell all them spices coming out there. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're going to keep on top of them, keep turning them. Oh yeah, wow. And here we are, through the miracle time and a little bit of editing. You know how it goes. But there you have them, the Mici, and they smell absolutely gorgeous. It's kind of a how can I describe it? Kind of a lemon zest, and I mean, I know there's thyme in there, but it's kind of more of a like a sage type smell. So it's kind of a lemon and sage that's coming. It just smells so good, really does. So these are ready to come off. So I've got a plate here. Ta-da. Got my food grabber, Mark 7. Let's pop these on the plate. Wow, I tell you what, that smell is just, I know I keep rambling on, but it's so good. Really is. And there you are. Wow. And that's the Mici, ladies and gentlemen. So, if you've liked this video, give us a thumbs up. Even better, click subscribe, because there'll be lots more content coming your way. And yeah, wow. Catch you in the next video, folks.